In 2013, I was looking at buying into a small business that was specialized in mechanical machinery and automation. And I ran to this young gentleman who was having, at that time, 3 separate businesses, and he decided to sell this small business that was making pump skids at that time for chemical companies and some control panels. And in 2004, we started with a new company under my ownership and my son's. And eventually, 2 or 3 years later, we decided to change names. So we changed the name into Pumping Solutions, and eventually, I believe it was probably 2007 or maybe 2008 when we changed the name to PumpingSol. So that's the origins of the name PumpingSol. When we started the company with my son as partner, we were looking at how do we create an environment where people feel valued and people feel that they're part of something important, and they're part of a team and something greater than themselves. So our mission is to create high quality fluid handling systems and automation for industry and for mining, chemical, and oil and gas industry.